students. In this video, we will study the definition and objectives of accounting. First of all, let us have a look at the definition of accounting. In 1941, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA, has defined accounting as the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are, in part at least, of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Now, let us have a look at the objectives of accounting. The first objective of accounting is to keep a systematic record of financial transactions. The absence of accounting will create terrific burden on human memory. Instead, if a proper system of accounting is followed, it will be easier to maintain the records of a business in a systematic manner. The second objective of accounting is to protect the business properties. Accounting provides protection to business properties from unjustified and unwarranted use. This is possible because accounting provides information to the manager or the proprietor about, first, the amount of the proprietor's funds invested in the business. Second, how much the business has to pay to others. Third, how much the business has to recover from others. Fourth, how much the business has invested in the form of fixed assets, cash in hand, cash at bank, stock of raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. Information about such matters helps the proprietor in assuring that the funds of the business are not unnecessarily kept idle or underutilized. The third objective is to ascertain the operational profit or loss. Accounting helps in ascertaining the net profit earned or loss suffered on account of carrying out the business. This is done by keeping a proper record of revenues and expenses of a particular period. The profit and loss account is prepared at the end of a period, and if the amount of revenue for the period is more than the expenditure incurred in earning that revenue, there is said to be a profit. In case the expenditure exceeds the revenue, there is said to be a loss. Profit and loss account will help the management, investors, creditors, etc. in knowing whether running of the business has to prove to be remunerative or not. In case it has not proved to be remunerative or profitable, the cause of such a state of affairs will be investigated and necessary remedial steps will be taken. The fourth objective of accounting is to ascertain the financial position of a business. The profit and loss account shows the amount of profit or loss made by the business during a particular period. However, it is not enough. The businessman must know about his financial position. That is, whether what he owes and what he owns. This objective is served by the balance sheet or position statement. The balance sheet is a statement of assets and liabilities of the business on a particular date. It serves as a barometer for ascertaining the financial health of the business. The fifth objective of accounting is to facilitate rational decision making. These days, accounting has taken upon itself the task of collection, analysis, and reporting of information at the required points of time to the required levels of authority in order to facilitate rational decision making. The American Accounting Association has also stressed this point while defining the term accounting, where it says that accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the information. Of course, this is by no means an easy task. However, the accounting bodies all over the world, and particularly the International Accounting Standards Committee, have been trying to deal with this problem and have achieved success in laying down some basic postulates on the basis of which the accounting statements have to be prepared. So students, in this video, we have studied the important objectives of financial accounting. In the next video, we will study some more concepts related to financial accounting.